And this guy can go.
So last time we went to go put some clutch fluid in it and unfortunately found it was leaking from inside the bell housing. So obviously somewhere near GM's brilliantly designed concentric slave. So tonight's job is pull the gearbox out.
Let's try this again.
Aiden, I'm gonna fuck up your car. Oh.
So finally almost finished laying up pretty much all of the loom. Basically we've got obviously where ACU is going to sit, the PDM and a little can hub here as well from PT Motorsport, guys in Tassie, do some really cool stuff. Basically after finishing up with the rope loom, we've been able to use that to just dummy up everything and get our lengths, and hopefully they're alright.
Alright, so we've kind of finished getting nearly all the car wired up and hopefully working properly. We've just finished off doing a wideband loom, so that's done, and they're kind of tucked up waiting for headers to get made so we can figure out where they'll finally land. PDM's all done, everything's working. We've got lights, you know, wiper works, tested fans, pumps, ECU power, little cabin lights. Now all that's left to do is getting the CAN bus side of things going and everything talking to